the 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck leads among competitors in its segment. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Chevrolet prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a built-in garage door transmitter, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as front and side impact airbags, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Please don't hesitate to give us a call